Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on how to utilize smart wiring to remove your modem from being stuck in the garage, prohibiting your full access to Wi-Fi within the home. As you can see, this property has fiber to the premises. This is the old style NTD Network Termination Device. Let's simply remove the cover, and that's going to expose the NTD inside. As you can see, we have an Ethernet cable running from Unity port 1, and then it's going up into one of these data ports here. Consider these like an entry point to the internal Ethernet cables that are running throughout the walls of the home. Consider these the entry points, and then I'll show you when we go upstairs where the exit point is. What we are looking for when we are utilizing smart wiring is we're always going to want to see these three lights: power, optical, and the Unity 1 light. Unity 1 light tells us that there is a modem being detected by the NTD, and that's what you want to see, and you want it to be orange. As you can see, we're now on the second floor, and here is our router, and here is our exit point. So this exit point matches to the same entry point that I've got my other Ethernet cable that is feeding into the NTD. So when you are looking for the correct entry point and exit point, as I mentioned earlier, you will find that if you're not connected to the right one, that orange light will not appear. So if I go ahead, if I disconnect this one, as you can see, when I take that out, our orange light disappears. If I try sticking it in a different port, we don't get the orange light. But if I stick it back into the same port that matches where the modem's connected, our orange light returns. That is your best indication to know if you've got the right port. So if you find yourself in an apartment where you've got multiple data ports right near your NTD, best rule of thumb, find a data port somewhere in the property where you want your modem to be. Plug your modem into that port, come here to your NTD, and play the little Easter egg hunt game to determine which data port matches the one that you've connected your modem to. Once you see that orange light, you are operational. Hope this helps.